In this video, we are going to test Aleon's aluminum luggage to see if it can hold up to the abuse that airlines give it. Alright, so we're gonna pack our luggage. It's about a 4-day trip that we're packing for. We got 2 pairs of shoes, 4 shirts, 4 pairs of socks. Let's see how much it actually comes out to be weighing. Give us a good estimate of how much damage we'll end up doing to this luggage in our test. Now these compression straps, they're super important. People don't realize that they just keep your stuff in place, but it actually keeps pressure off the locks. So it helps keep your case a little bit more sturdy. Yeah, let's go test this bad boy. Right now we got it right at 20 pounds. Yeah, so what do you think? We throw it off first or we stand on it? I'm gonna stand on it. Just to give you an idea, you know, when people are throwing your luggage in, and let's say it's at the bottom of the aircraft and it's just stacked, seeing how it stands up versus being being compressed in the airplane. And so far it looks like it's holding up. Nothing too shabby right there. This piano hinge, it's a solid piano hinge all the way down. Helps your case from warping. You know, that's nice because when things like this do happen and your luggage falls, it's more sturdy. And overall, it's just better quality. We're gonna simulate this falling off the luggage trolley in transportation. So let's just see how it looks, all right? 3, 2, 1. All right, first glances. We got a little scruff right there, a little on the handle, so the handle pops up, but it works. Still works, still in shape. Wheels all work perfectly still. Not bad. All right, this test is the runaway luggage. Like it's on a roller coaster and it's got no brakes. Hit it. Oh, it rolls really nice. Oh, let's see, it's gonna hit this. It's gonna hit it. Perfect. Took a direct hit to the locks. Look at that. Obviously, you know, not like it was rolling pretty fast, but that's about all we got from that hitting that metal pole right there. Lock's still intact. The wheel's still intact. That's our second test. So I did get a little scratch right here, even with me wiping it. Not terrible. Let's pop it open real quick and see how everything looks on the inside. Everything's still nice and snug. Now that we established that this baby can roll and it rolls good, let's see how it does with a collision test. Let's say something happens, it falls off the conveyor belt and drops. We're gonna just throw this thing right at this concrete wall and see how it does. All right, ready? Alright, not too bad. That corner actually took most of that brunt. Wheels, yeah. That bottom one right there, that's what took it. Not a lot of damage done to it. That held up pretty good. Yeah. This one's unlikely to happen, but if it does to you, we're tossing it down the stairs. See how it does. We feel like this will give it the best impact on the wheels. Where we were throwing it against the wall, it's more of the case, but let's see how the actual wheels hold up on this test, all right? Here we go. We got our first break of the day. It's our handle. It's the metal handle, but it looks like it should be pretty easy to replace. I guess that's why they got a 10-year warranty on this bad boy, because obviously everything doesn't break, but that won't ruin your trip because it still rolls. The locks are still all right. We took a big brunt there. Obviously the handle was the biggest, but open. Your trip's not ruined, you just have to submit a claim. You can see it took a pretty big hit right there. Right there. But that's about it, man. That's not bad. Alright, this is about curve height. Let's see how this one does. Nothing real visible. These wheels still going strong. Alright. Holy shit. Took some damage there. I mean, this is least likely to happen, you know, dropping your luggage from this height, but we haven't been able to destroy this quite yet, so we're going to continue to try until we actually break something that would stop your trip. Took some damage there. Other than that, no, not really. Alright, let's drop it on its wheels and see. Oh, I'm gonna be sad if this hits my truck. Holy shit. Guys, I couldn't station this, keep it going. I want to show them it's still packed. Still packed, guys. I'll be damned. So, one of the main things why people like aluminum luggage is they're zipperless. You can't pop it and open it with a pen and cut the zipper and get into it. So let's see if we can actually get into these locks. Just kind of splickety quick, you know. Not really gonna, you know, trying to steal something from the airport. Somebody's gonna catch us. There you guys have it. Airport simulation. This thing held up. Still looks good. Yes, you're gonna get a couple of dings and scratches in it. That's just scary.